We've definitely reinvented what it means to grill with a propane grill. It can smoke, it can griddle, it can cook pizzas. Most of all, it has a convection system. Putting convection in a regular propane grill simply wouldn't work. Your burners would blow out and you'd run into a bunch of different issues. The system that did work is a burner protection system using natural convection as well as the geometry around the burners to protect the burners from the high airspeed. You get things faster, you render fat better, there's more even heating throughout your cooking cavity. You can set it and forget it with the smart temp controller.
Let's smoke!
There's just so much testing, it's even hard to begin. Stress testing, lid drop testing, smoke ignition testing, where you get a bunch of chefs in and they test a product and make crazy recipes on it, batches of food one after the other.
From a chef's perspective, something that excites me is convection cooking. Traditionally, if you have something on the top rack, you're really just using it to keep warm, but now you're actually able to utilize it for cooking.
We get a crazy ask from the PD team, hey, we want a propane grill that smokes and also has convection in it. Like, is this even possible? But yeah, it turns out it is.